So this is my Minecraft video of atoms. These are 3 models of the atom from first to last. This is not actually all of the models. There are many of them. This is only 3. And anyway, let's get started. So this is the first model of the atom. And the way I wrote the bottom line is, some people might think, are you sure you got all of it? Because it's just a ball of nothingness. John Dalton guessed that all matter in the universe was made up of tiny ball-like particles called atoms. And so, moving on to the next one. The reason I had the ladders was because the piston door was too close to be able to come up here, and I didn't want to break these because that would uncover the mechanism, and it just looks bad with the mechanism uncovered. But anyway, this is the Rutherford model of the atom. He called it the plum pudding model because if you look at it, it kind of looks like a common English dessert called plum pudding. And so he assumed that there were, just a sec, let me close this, electrons embedded in a sphere of positive charge. And so this is called the plum pudding model. And the blue is the electrons, and then this would be, all this white would be the positive charge. And so moving on to our last model. Just a second, let me fix that. Can you just point the camera down for a second?
Go, quick. Okay.
So, this is the final model. This actually took a very long time to build. It is the Bohr model of the atom. And this model and the previous model were both oxygen atoms, just so you know. So Bohr believed that there was a central nucleus which consisted of protons and neutrons. He also believed that the electrons orbited the neutrons on paths. And so these blacks are protons and the reds are neutrons. And so I'm just going to get this started up. This is all the mechanism to get all these minecarts running at the same time. Took a long time to build. And also I added the sound. But anyway, this is kind of what his model would look like. Electrons orbiting a center nucleus. But this is not actually...
Talk about the paths. Why are there...
Oh yeah, the paths there. So there were different numbers of electrons on each path. So on the first path, there could be up to 2. Second path, there could be up to 8. And then on the third path, there could be up to 18. And there could be like many tracks. There could be hundreds, I think. I'm pretty sure there could be any number. But anyway, this is not the distance from a nucleus an actual track of an atom is, well, the path. The actual distance would be 3 football fields. I was going to do 3 football fields, but I decided to just do 2 because 3 football fields would be 160 blocks. No, 360 blocks. That's kind of hard to get to. So on a real atom, the tracks would be about here because 99.999% of the atom is space. And I'm pretty sure the atom is this way. So anyway, these are my models of the atom, and this is the end of this video.